So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover this amazing lab. So first of all, click on start lab and open the Looker Incognito window. Now if you are new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel. So here basically you have to enter the credentials from the lab instructions. So just copy it like this and paste over here and just click on login. Make sure to turn this checkbox on. Now just log in. And here some important steps we have to do. The first step is that enabling of development mode. So how you have to enable, on the bottom you can see this. Just turn on this toggle, click on it. It will be turned on and the page will reload itself. Now click on develop and here you can see dimensions and measures. Click on it. Here basically we have to create and modify some of the files. So just stay tuned. Now from here click on this plus icon and you can see here project manifest. Click on it. It will take some time to get created, so you need to wait for it. Okay, wait for some time. It's here, click over it. Now in the description box I've shared this repo, copy from here and just replace the entire content and just click on save. Once you have saved it, you have to just create another model file. How you have to create, I will show you. Click on this plus icon. Okay, click on this plus icon and from here just click on create model. And for the model name you have to just copy one mistake. You may copy this entire file, but you don't have to copy like this. You have to just copy from here to here, you can see, and then come back here and just paste over here like this and click on create. Okay, I hope you understand. In the create file it will be blank by default. You have to just name it. Now click over it. Make sure on the top the file name is showing. Now come back to the GitHub repo and copy from here and just paste over here to the repository file. Now just done it and save. Ignore the errors, no need to worry about it. Now we have to create a view from the table. So how we will create? You have to just click on the plus icon like this. Let me show you. Make sure to verify the file name is correct, because if you miss this you won't be able to get the score. Now click on this plus icon and from here click on it. Now a new table page will open. From here you have to just do something. Wait for it. Now here wait for the dataset to load, and if it doesn't so you can just select from the drop down. Now you can see here custom DB. Here is the custom DB also. You have to just copy it and paste on the custom DB place and just hit enter. It will reload itself. Now here we have to do some changes and select. You can see the look GCDA. You have to click on this down arrow. Now from here you have to make sure to select all these items. Okay, you have to just check these. There will be checkbox there. You have to just check all these like this. Let me show you how you have to check. You have to just check it all like this, and once you have checked it you can cross verify once again, and once you have checked it you just scroll down. Okay, first of all cross verify and then just scroll down and click on create view. Okay, just click on create view. Now the next step is very easy, just please pay attention to it. You have to do one thing, that is you have to just update all the files from start to end. Now here first of all copy this here. If you are able to see it you can just see it from there only. Use Ctrl F and just click over it. Now it will open the new page, okay, where we'll be updating the files. So how you have to update? You have to click on this view and just click on it. Make sure on the top, just like it's showing order items view, it will show the file name and you'll click on it. You can see here. Now just update the files. Just update the files like this and save changes. Just do it for all the files like this. Okay. Now once all files have been saved, what you need to do, you need to deploy it. For that you can see on the top there is commit and push. Click on it. Now just type any message and just click on subscribe to the channel and just you have to click on commit. Okay, do not click on the cancel, just type anything. You can write any message, and if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, do subscribe it and just click on commit, and after that just run deploy to production. Now once it is deployed we have to open it on a new tab. Basically we'll be doing one last step, so just right click over here and you have to open the order item. From here you have to click on explore and you can see order items. Click over here. Now once this page is live, here you will see one thing. Just click on subscribe to Dr. Abhishek. Okay, just click on it. Now wait for this file to run. It takes few seconds. So once it's done, we'll save the look and view the look. So from here, once the file is ready, just click on this gear icon, save as a look. And for the look name, you have to come back to the task number 6 and scroll down a little bit. You can see here save look file name. You have to copy this file name, copy carefully and just paste over here and just save and view look. Now we are done with the lab. Now we'll check the score for all particular tasks and we are done the lab. If you are unable to see the score, just refresh the browser window and you'll be able to get the score. Do like the video and subscribe the channel for more such amazing videos.